Olá, Brasil!
We just arrived. We will be heading to the Mercado of Peixes.
Pegou ele aqui, descascou.
Tá.
Smells so good.
Vou dar pouquinho.
So here they put. So we are in the taxi now in the road to go to the market. Leticia want to kill me today of the fish. One of my favorite things is to go to the market to discover the local culture. So I'm not going alone. I met two girls in the hostel, Leticia and Jessica. Hi. Hola, hola.
Hola.
¿Cómo se dice? Hola.
Hola.
Hola, hola de Brasil.
Hola.
Não, vou dizer hola, dizem Fortaleza, o Brasil, ok? Hola! No, diz.
Olá, Brasil!
We just arrived. We will be heading to the Mercado of Peixes. Peixe in Portuguese. Pescados. We will try to film. I hope it will not a problem. We will try to show you the Mercado of fish here in Fortaleza. Of course, I'm not coming alone since I don't know the city. Thanks Leticia, thanks Jessica for coming with me to can share this experience. We are at the end of the market, I think, so for that you can see empty shelves. But we will go and see what we can find here.
O camarão vou dar a partir de 30
Camarão.
Qual é o de 30?
Oh, see.
Esse aí?
Vou mostrar aqui da casca que você vai ver melhor.
Look, so tasty. So big, so tasty
Como
actually.
te gusta? Assim ou assim? Ele sem casca é com 60. Com 2 quilos desse vai virar 1 quilo dele.
El sol.
Pegou ele aqui, descascou.
Tá.
É a
Não,
metade.
que a gente vai levar ele pra barraca.
Podemos comerlo.
Se for ali, olha com casca. Fazer um molho de camarão, um risoto sem casca. Promoção, viu, doutora? Só aqui mesmo, viu, casca.
Wow, so big. And here we can sit, and after we eat what we have ordered. That is very cool, this place. Not so crowded. I'm just following Leticia and that's...
Bota meia dente, por favor.
We find the table just in front of the... So we will stay in this place because we have a beautiful view here of the beach, as you can see. So good, the view here. Impressive.
Mas é frito.
So we will make it fried, and he said that actually I can film.
Agora?
I can.
Agora.
I can. Okay. Oh. Actually, they are very cool here in Brazil. You just ask and they tell you yes. Sina. Waiting. Maybe after I will go to film how they are cooking. They still didn't cook yet. So here people are not in a hurry, they just chill, they enjoy, they take their time, and that's what is very cool. I think is the fact that they are near of the beach that make them very cozy, very chill, not stressed like the life in Paris, very different. So they will cook them with water, I don't know, we said the fry it, maybe they put them with water. They add the salt on each one, and after they cook it. It's very hot here, very hot. And the smell also is very good. Starting to get fried actually, impressive. And the smell, it smells so good. In France, this place. See the fries, how they are, and there. Oh, So delicious, so delicious.
Olha sem bunda.
Obrigado.
Vou dar pouquinho.
Okay, so it's really so delicious. Time to try it.
É mais mesmo aqui.
Don't know what is this.
Farofa.
Farofa. What is farofa? It's a... Okay.
Mostra pra ele, mulher de Deus.
Muestra.
Muestra.
Show us how we can eat it.
Corta.
How we can eat.
Bota o limão aí,
Okay,
mulher.
we see the expert. How she
Bota o
will do
limão
it.
aí, ó. Vai, bota. Já caiu só os caroços do limão. Pronto. Aí tu come junto, assim.
Okay, now I will do it the same way to taste. Actually, it looks like couscous. So we remove the heads and the tail. And after we put it in the couscous. It's couscous, no?
Farofa.
Farofa. It looks like couscous. So, muito bom.
Olha aí.
So good.
Ô, moço, até só a
Jogo.
cara.
I'm not used to eat it with the skin there, but here in Brazil I noticed that everyone eat it with the skin. Sometimes they eat it even with the head, but they eat everything in the gambras. They are from the beach, so they like everything coming from the beach. I like everything coming in the beach, and it's new for me to try it with the skin, because sometimes you feel something blocking inside your mouth when you eat it with the skin, but actually it's very good. It's like, how we can say it's crunchy. Yeah, kind of crunchy when you eat it with the skin, but it's actually very delicious.
Ó, baião.
And they bring rice. Yeah, okay.
Só dá pra ele, amigo, pra ele dar.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. So you eat the shrimp with the rice. Oh, I'm very spoiled today. Thanks. So spoiled for today. Thank you. Let's try the rice now to see how it tastes. So its rice is kind of big. Let's try it. Yeah, so good. So good. We can taste the pois inside of it. There is, I think, some beans. Beans maybe, or pois inside of it, and we can taste it. The taste is strong. And there is a smoky taste inside of it also. But very delicious, very delicious.
E a cerveja, esse é a piroca chamada. Mas tem tudo aqui, a mãozinha de pilão, tem a garrafinha de madeira, tem diferente também, pessoal. É, tá aí.
¿Cuál es?
E esse é os copinhos de cachaça.
Ah, para abrir? Ah, para abrir la botella.
Abridor? Esse é os
It's
copinhos.
for opening.
Copinho para tomar cachaça, tomar tequila.
Ah,
Ioiô.
for cachaça.
As mãozinhas para coçar as costas aqui de madeira. É. E esse é o peão Nutella, ó. Peão Nutella, só puxar no cordão. Puxa no cordão.
It's a blade, the blade. Oh. Traditional one.
Pode ter esse desse?
Não, obrigada, mas estão muito
Nada? Vai levar um?
Obrigado. So here they put.
Esse aqui.
Oh, gracias. Hard to open.
Bota aqui, esse aqui.
Okay, we have the beer here and there. Ah, it's ice. No, not even.
No,
ice.
it's
I thought it was with ice. Very hard to open and to close. So we finished the dish. Actually, it was very delicious. I have never eaten that quantity of gambras in one day like the one that I ate today. It was in the playa and now in the restaurant. I don't know, maybe later in the after the party we will eat that, I don't know. But actually it's very delicious, the gambras here. I have eaten a lot, but those ones are one of the best. The cooking, the taste, amazing. The prices were very affordable. And yeah, so good, so delicious. 10 point Fortaleza for the food. For the whole meal it cost 60 reais. Not that expensive. 10 euro for all that. It's correct. Leticia wants to kill me today. She said to me that after just finishing all the shrimps of today, she said to me there is a bar where we can eat unlimited shrimps. Hey, you want me to diet?
Yes,
Yeah, I can't eat more shrimps for today. It's enough. Yeah, let's go to Praia de Futuro, and I don't know what the plan later. We will see.
No.